Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ram 1500 tail light. Before we begin, it is important to gather all the necessary tools. Make sure your truck is parked securely and completely turned off for safety. You will primarily need a Phillips head screwdriver and a non-marring plastic trim removal tool to complete this task efficiently and without damage. Now, let's get started by opening your truck's tailgate. This action will reveal the two retaining screws that hold the tail light assembly in place. Take your Phillips head screwdriver and carefully remove both of these screws. It is a good practice to immediately put them in a safe spot, like a small container, so they don't get misplaced during the process. With the screws removed, the next step is to gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the truck's body. It is held in place by a couple of alignment pins, so a firm but steady pull is usually effective. If it feels a bit stubborn, you can carefully use your plastic trim removal tool to pry it loose without scratching the paint. Finally, once the tail light assembly is free from the vehicle, you will see the electrical connectors on its backside. These connectors supply power to your lights. Simply press the small release tabs on each connector and gently pull them apart. If you are replacing bulbs, twist them about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to remove them from their sockets. You are all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.